this video, we will show you how to turn off dark mode on Google. Sometimes you think dark mode is not the best appearance because we harder to see the search results. To turn off dark mode in Google, it's very easy. You can just click settings on the bottom of the page. But first you need to open the Google. Okay, not new tab. Just click settings. And in here, the dark theme is on. To turn off the dark theme, you need just to click once again. Now you are using light theme. But in here, you can see your current settings in the search settings to see the appearance, not using device default. Because sometimes if you are using device default, in the night, it automatically changes into dark theme. And if you don't want to using dark theme on all day long, you can just click light theme and click save. And that's all tutorial how to turn off dark mode on Google. Hope this video helpful for you.